Hello, hi, good
Hello.
evening.
Good evening.
Yes, welcome to Nicholas. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes.
This is Show, right? Show?
Yes, my
Alright,
show.
nice to
Yeah.
meet you today, Show.
Yeah, nice to
Nice
meet
to
you too.
meet you. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Oh, wow. Good to hear that. Are you in Japan, Show?
Yes, I'm in Japan.
Ah, alright, that's great. I can see here you chose free conversation, is that right?
Yes. If you don't mind,
Yeah.
today I'd like to perform a role play.
Oh, wow, that's good. Yeah.
So, because I'm going to have English test.
English test,
Yeah,
yes.
called OET,
OET,
Occupational English Test.
occupational English
Yes.
test. It's about the
Uh,
job, right?
yeah. So I am a doctor, and
Ah,
my dream,
really? Wow.
yeah, my dream is to work overseas someday.
Overseas, yes.
To work overseas, I have to pass the English test,
Oh, yes.
and so in
That's right,
the
that's right.
test, the speaking part.
Mm.
So uh, I need to perform a role play.
Really? Wow.
Yes. So now
Oh,
I will provide you
mm. Yes.
with a role play card.
Okay, okay, yes.
Is that
That's
okay?
yeah, that's exciting,
Okay.
yes.
Fine.
Okay, just okay.
So may I start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Uh, Hello. My name is Dr. Shaw.
Uh,
I'm here today to answer your concerns as best as I can.
Thank you,
So,
doctor.
how can I help you today?
Yeah, my 5-year-old son Matthew. Actually, yeah, we had a problem. Something happened to him. He cannot breathe. It's so difficult for him to breathe.
Oh, that's too bad. Your son, has your son ever experienced this?
Yeah,
Like this?
yeah, that's right. Many times, yes.
How many times has your son been hospitalized before?
Uh, I actually like we took him to the emergency department and he was treated with nebulized salbutamol and then just discharged, something like that. I don't remember any other time he was hospitalized. It was just one time that I remember. Yeah.
Mhm. Uh, so, uh, so do you understand what asthma is?
No, no, doctor, I really don't understand what asthma is. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, sure. It's a kind of a respiratory problem disorder.
Ah, I see.
It's very
Oh.
common disease. So
Mm-hmm.
many people are suffering from asthma,
Oh, that's why.
and it sometimes caused it is sometimes caused by some allergy, uh,
Allergy.
yeah, trigger
Uh,
factor.
like what kind of allergy, doctor? The
So
triggers.
yeah, there are so many allergy, and it's like house dust. It can be the house dust.
Oh.
So when your son take in the house dust
Mm-hmm.
into his lungs,
Mm.
which sometimes may cause the respiratory problem.
I see. Yeah, I'm afraid, I'm worried that Matthew might have a severe attack. And
Mm-hmm.
so, can you give me an advice how to manage Matthew's asthma, doctor?
Yeah, so yes, it's understandable. Uh, yes, yeah, it's Yeah, so there are some options
Mm-hmm.
to treat them, uh,
Okay.
but uh, but it's true if the asthma is untreated,
Mm.
the patient sometimes will die
Really?
of asthma. Yes,
Oh no.
but yeah, there is no need. There is no need to be overly concerned about.
That's
Uh,
scary, doctor.
yes, but mm, if asthma is treated properly,
I see.
uh, you don't have to worry about it too much.
Okay.
So the normal option, normal treatment, common treatment
Mm-hmm.
is to take inhaler.
Inhaler. All right.
Yes.
Yes, inhaler.
So so I recommend
Mm-hmm.
that your son Matthew should take the inhaler regularly.
Regularly. Is it like
Yes.
every day or
Yes, every day.
every day?
Every day.
Oh,
So yeah, even if there is no symptoms.
oh, I see. So that's every
Yes.
day, even without the attack.
Yes.
We should take that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I
Mhm.
see.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you for
Okay,
coming
thank
to
you
see me
so
today.
much. Thank you so much, doctor. Wow. Okay, that's
Thank
great.
you.
That's nice. That's great. Actually,
Mm,
yes.
difficult.
So, very good. Just don't forget the it's very important, right? The term recover and to become asthma free, something like that. Yeah, it's those are terms that are important. Of course, would be part of role plays because this is about patience. Yeah, sickness and patience. So, wow. At overall, wow, that was great. You have the confidence in saying those words, so it shows that you really know what you are saying. Okay, that's nice. And the grammar, the sentences are good, words and phrases are okay. So I can say that those are the best choice of words and phrases to use. Very good. That's nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you have any questions so far with this role play?
No. Oh.
That's good actually. Yes. So you